Friends, whenever we talk about high-performance supercars, a brilliant blend of speed, luxury, and cutting-edge technology always comes to mind. Today, we are going to talk about a car that is not just an engineering marvel, but one that completely redefines the boundaries of automotive design. We are talking about the Aston Martin Valhalla. This car is not just a machine, it is a magnificent fusion of British craftsmanship and Formula One technology. In today's journey, we will take a close look at every single aspect of this car and understand how Aston Martin has achieved a brand new milestone in the automotive industry through this unparalleled supercar. Let us begin this professional and fascinating journey. Chapter 1. The Genesis of Valhalla. The story of this car begins with Aston Martin's ultimate hypercar project, the Valkyrie. If the Valkyrie can be called an extreme track monster, then the Valhalla is a highly successful effort to bring that very legacy onto public roads. Initially, it was known as Project AM-RB003, which was the result of a brilliant partnership between Aston Martin and Red Bull Racing. The purpose of this car was absolutely clear: to build a road-legal supercar that proves its mettle on the racetrack while simultaneously delivering exceptional comfort and control to the driver on public roads. According to Norse mythology, Valhalla is the place where brave warriors find their resting place. And this car, true to its name, has been crafted like a fierce warrior of the road. This marks the beginning of a new era for Aston Martin. Chapter 2. The Hybrid Powerhouse. The power working behind the Valhalla is truly astonishing. Its mid-engine layout houses a V8 twin-turbo engine, which is a 4.0-liter unit. But the story doesn't end there, because this is a car of the modern era, and the modern era is incomplete without hybrid technology. To support this engine, 3 electric motors have been utilized, which elevate its performance to a whole new level. When this petrol engine and the electric motors work in harmony, they generate approximately 10-12 horsepower. The torque and power delivery are so instantaneous that the moment you step on the accelerator, you feel an unparalleled thrust. This hybrid system not only grants the car immense speed, but also helps in optimizing its overall efficiency. Chapter 3. Aerodynamic Masterpiece. If you look at the design of this car, every single line and every single curve has been sculpted with a specific purpose in mind. The Valhalla utilizes active aerodynamics, which adapt their behavior based on the car's speed and driving style. Its carbon fiber monocoque chassis makes it incredibly lightweight and exceptionally strong. Aston Martin has designed its body in such a way that even without a massive or awkward rear spoiler, the car remains glued to the ground, a phenomenon we call downforce. This design philosophy is directly inspired by Formula One, channeling the airflow through its aerodynamics to benefit the car, ensuring that stability and balance remain superb even at high speeds. Chapter 4. Performance and Handling. In terms of performance, the Valhalla lags behind no one. Its 8-speed dual-clutch transmission executes gear shifts so rapidly that the driver barely notices before the speed starts touching the sky. Along with this, it features an advanced pushrod suspension that delivers a Formula One-style handling experience right on the road. If we talk about performance statistics, this car sprints from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 2.5 seconds, and its top speed goes up to about 350 kilometers per hour. Observing its agility on the racetrack and its balance around corners makes it feel as though the car anticipates the driver's every command and molds itself accordingly. Chapter 5. The Futuristic Cabin. It is often observed that high-performance supercars do not focus much on cabin space and comfort, but the Valhalla proves to be entirely different and superior in this aspect. Its interior is minimalist, yet it features a highly driver-centric design where every single control is within the driver's easy reach. Inside, you get a new touchscreen infotainment system that supports modern connectivity features. The seating position for both the driver and the passenger has been configured to give you the exact feel of driving a race car, but thanks to excellent seat cushioning and adjustable pedals, you do not feel fatigued, even on long journeys. This balance was designed with daily usability in mind, which is truly commendable. Chapter 6. The Competitive Landscape. If we talk about its competition in the market, the Valhalla faces formidable rivals like the Ferrari SF9 Stradale. In our opinion, both cars are spectacular examples of engineering in their own right, and each possesses its own distinct personality. While Ferrari is renowned for its unmatched legacy, aggressive hybrid tech, and rich racing history, the charm of the Valhalla lies in its exclusive British design, limited production run, and F1-inspired aerodynamics. It would be unfair to call either car inferior, as every manufacturer has their own unique philosophy. Aston Martin has chosen a path with the Valhalla that sets a new benchmark for exclusivity and pure driving pleasure, without undermining any of its competitors. In the end, we can say that the Aston Martin Valhalla is not just a car, but a true piece of art in motion. This car shows us what magnificent creations emerge in the automotive world when passion, craftsmanship, and modern hybrid technology come together. Friends, which chapter of this journey with the Aston Martin Valhalla did you find the most impressive? Did you love its Formula One design, or are you more fascinated by its hybrid engine? Please share your valuable thoughts in the comment section below, as your feedback is incredibly important to us. If you enjoyed this professional video, please make sure to like the video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive and informative content from the automotive world. Also, be sure to press the bell icon so that our latest videos reach you first. Until next time, take care of yourselves, and may all your journeys be safe and beautiful. Allah Hafiz.